BeReal, how to take 2 different photos. Hey guys, in this video I will be teaching you how to take 2 different photos on the BeReal app. First, you get your BeReal app, then you open the app. You will be led to your friends page, after which you click on the icon that says take your BeReal. In order for you to take 2 different pictures at once, you click on the icon that is located at the bottom right, the rotation icon. After that, you click on the middle icon. That's how you get 2 different photos in a single photo. You can also switch between the two different photos by clicking on them. This one looks better, so you can send the pictures to your friends or family. Thank you.